Angry with the government's notification on one rank, one pension, military veterans are today observing what they call a Black Diwali, and they've decided to escalate their protests. They've begun a protest march here in the capital and are trying to make their way to the president's house, but the police are blocking them at the moment. Protesting against what they call the dilution of the definition of one rank, one pension, many veterans have also returned their medals to the government.
आप लोग जो ये मेडल क्यों चलाए जा रहे हैं? मेडल जो बहादुरी के लिए
No, they are extremely angry with the statement which is given by the defense minister saying there is no hope left.
ये सरकार पर गुस्से की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस तरह मेडल जलाना क्या ठीक है?
नहीं, ठीक नहीं है। ये बताई हुई है, हम ये सब जानते हैं, फौजियों के साथ बहुत जांचते, इतना जांचती तो नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन किस तरह के हमारे यहाँ
आज प्रधानमंत्री ने ये कहा है कि आप लोग को दिवाली का तोहफा दे दिया गया है, उसके बावजूद इस तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं।
कुछ नहीं दिया, वो ओबी की परिभाषा के मुताबिक कुछ नहीं दिया।
कल ये जवान जो अपना मेडल भी वापस कर चुके हैं, कई सारे लोग बता क्या कहेंगे, जो वीरता का जो मेडल मिलता है वो जला रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
The government should behave and understand the suffering of these people. Try to understand our sentiments. Please, for God's sake, come here and discuss the issue. Don't kill the soldiers.
I would say it is the force of India. It is the strength of India, हमारे armed forces. और उनको इस तरीका से जो treat कर रहा है ना government of India, this is wrong. Insult to the man in uniform, मुझे बहुत दुख है और मेरा एक नाराजगी भी है, और जो वादा किया था previous government, कांग्रेस टाइम पे, और ये government, बीजेपी government, इसको निभाओ, sanction जो है उसको पूरा करिए.
And tracking those protests here in the capital is my colleague Ishadrita, who now joins us with the very latest. Ishadrita, the veterans saying they're observing what they call a Black Diwali. At the moment, they're trying to make their way to Rashtrapati Bhavan. What exactly is happening?
Well, Neha, we are now in Raisina Hills. In the morning, of course, there were veterans at Jantar Mantar who had burned their medals. They are unhappy with the OROP notification that came here. We have Colonel Kaul with us. We'll go across to him and ask him what the issue today is. Sir, what is the protest today about?
See, first of all, let me correct you, no medals were burnt. There was an attempt to burn some medals, but we did not permit that. But that is an indication of the kind of anguish, the anger, the frustration and the despair that the veterans are now facing over 149 days of nobody even bothering to come and ask us what the problem is.
Sir, you on the way to meet the president. What is the scene with that now, sir?
Well, we were at Jantar Mantar and we were discussing what exactly is to be done with regard to return of medals as a consequence to yesterday's return of medals at IGI airport, where 2,000 medals were returned. When the complete lot of people, I think out of sheer disgust, got up and said, let's go to the president. And personally, I feel...
So what is the deal with that now, sir? Are you going to meet the president? Has there been a delegation assigned to go meet the president?
Well, firstly, I must ask you one simple question. As a citizen of this country and as a soldier where the president is the supreme commander, why should I have to take permission to go and meet him? That's number one. All right. They have put on a posse of policemen over here and who have stopped us. They are doing their duty, so I have no cribs against them. But this is ridiculous. You are stopping your own soldiers.
But no contact from the president's house. Yes, sir. You don't know if you are going to meet him today.
There was somebody who had come here and we have given him a list of 12 people in the delegation who would like, in case, since you don't want the whole lot to go, we've given them a list of 12 people.
Thank you, sir. So as you can see, Neha, they have come here to meet the president. They were stopped by the police. Right now, the notification they have is that people from the president's from the president's office is that a delegation of 12 people can go meet the president later. However, the police here say that they have received no such notification. So whether or not they are going to go and meet the presidents today is we don't know yet. However, as of now, it seems like a Black Diwali for the war veterans here. Neha?
Right, Ishadrita, thanks very much for getting us all those details. We'll come back to you later for more.